Hey guys, welcome back to the next video in our how-to series. This one's gonna be relevant to quite a few of you guys. If you've got an NS series tractor, so the NS4710, the NS5310, or what I got behind me here, the NS6010, all of them are gonna have the KL5810 loader on them today. We're gonna show you how to take that loader off and put it back on. Let's get to it. To remove your KL5810 loader, park your tractor in as level of a place as you can find. Raise your loader into the air and lower those loader stands from underneath of the loader arms. I use the third slot here. There's a number of different options you can choose depending on where your loader is sitting. Again, I used the third option. It worked out really well for me here. Once the loader stands are locked into place, go ahead and use the loader control to lower the loader onto the ground. Again, we want the weight to be as much on those stands as possible so that the pins become loose. You'll see here once I get everything positioned, I still do have to fight a little bit with the pin. Sometimes the paint from the loader causes things to be a little bit tighter than usual, but once again, if you've watched any of the other loader videos, anytime a hammer needs to get involved, something's not quite right. So that pin will come right out. Once everything is removed from both sides, use the loader control to raise your loader out of the mounting brackets on the tractor. Turn off the tractor, release the hydraulic pressure, and then we can disconnect all of our hydraulic lines. Again, with this setup, you'll see that we have everything color-coded. Anything that comes out of nuts is going to be color-coded, but double-check if you did not buy your tractor from us that everything is color-coded so that whenever you go to reconnect all of your lines, you put everything back into the right place. Again, we have the coupler caps that we're going to put into place here, wipe everything off a little bit, put the coupler caps in so that we keep any dirt or dust or grime out of those hydraulic lines while we're operating the tractor without the loader. Once everything's disconnected, jump back on the tractor, slowly back out of the loader, making sure not to hit anything on your way out, and get to work with whatever you're doing without your loader. When it's time to reattach the KL5810, go ahead and pull slowly into the loader arms. Make sure everything is as centered as possible. Pull up until the point where those loader arms are resting on the mounting brackets of the tractor. Jump off the tractor, turn everything off, and reconnect your hydraulic lines. Again, paying attention to which hydraulic lines go into which connections so that the loader functions as it is designed. Once all the hydraulic lines are reconnected, jump back onto the tractor, turn everything on, use your loader control to lower that loader back into the mounting brackets. Once everything is lined up the way it is supposed to, those pins will slide back in. Once again, we've said it before, but if you feel the need to get a hammer, just line something back up. It's not quite right. We don't want you to break anything. Once those pins are back in, raise your loader back up into the air, put the loader stands back into the operating position, and you're ready to get to work. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching the KL5810, how to remove it and reattach it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We've got some more how-tos coming out in the coming months. We'll see you guys next time.